Come with me as I unbox the Canon PIXMA G620 wireless MegaTank printer. I'm super excited about this because this one has a MegaTank system and it's going to be a total game changer for my creative projects. Let's get the box open and take the printer out. So here is the star of this show right here. 6 full-size ink bottles. 1 for yellow, magenta, cyan, red, black, and gray. 2 printer heads are also included. You'll find a QR code in the instruction manual for a setup video. This is super helpful because it shows you exactly where all those little shipping tapes are. They add several of these bright orange tapes and protective bits to keep it safe. This guide is a lifesaver to make sure you don't miss any. I'm peeling off every piece of tape and plastic insert until the printer is finally free from its packaging. This is something new and I've never had to do this before on my previous inkjet printers, but there are 2 printer heads. One is labeled L and will go into the left slot, and one is labeled R and will go into the right. Here I am using the video to make sure I snap everything back into place before we power it on. Let's turn the power on. Now this printer has a 2-line LCD screen, so no fancy touchscreen here, but it gets the job done. I'll select my language and then it'll prompt me to fill the ink tanks. I'm going to lift the tank cover and get ready to fill these up. This is what makes this printer a MegaTank. Instead of cartridges, you just pour the ink right into these large refillable tanks. The bottles have a keyed nozzle design which makes it easy. You just pop the bottle on and the ink flows automatically. No squeezing needed and zero mess. Having the 2 extra colors is a big deal. They expand the color range, which means you get more vibrant reds and truer to life neutral tones and colors in your prints. The tanks are filled and closed up. Now the printer is beginning its initial setup, which takes about 9 minutes. Setup is complete and I've already connected to the Wi-Fi via the app. It's ready for its first print. The G620 has a single rear paper feeder, which is great for thicker papers like this, which is this glossy sticker paper. Look at these colors. They're so vibrant and true to my design. The red and gray inks really make a difference, making the colors pop and the details so sharp. This is exactly why I chose this printer. It's built for quality, photos, and crafts. So there you have it, guys, the Canon PIXMA G620 MegaTank printer. I'm impressed right out of the box. The unboxing was straightforward, filling the inks was easy and mess-free, and my first prints came out beautifully. I know this is going to save me a ton of money on ink. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy printing!